Kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making Rice Krispies squares. These are perfect little snacks, great for when you're going to hike or packing school lunches. Only 4 simple ingredients: Rice Krispies, marshmallows, butter, and salt. If I sound bad, I am a bit under the weather. We want to give these a nice light toast, just because they are much better when you make them toasted, because you get more of that crunchiness, which gives them a nice toasted flavor and helps counteract some of the sweetness from the marshmallows. Make sure when you're cooking them to even them out, especially if you have an old oven. Like ours is really old and it has some hot spots, so you want to be careful with those. While the Rice Krispies are cooling down from the oven, you can start making the kind of like sauce slash slimish thing. Add some butter, and you kind of want to almost brown the butter. It just gives it a nice, more caramelly taste. And then obviously the marshmallows give it that nice stretch, that nice chewiness. It's a good combination of chewy and crunchy. Find that so delicious. It's a bit awkward to stir the marshmallows at the start, but you'll get there. While you're stirring, you'll start to notice that there are still some white lumps in your sauce, but just keep mixing and they'll disappear. Once they're all disappeared, add your nicely toasted but cooled down Rice Krispies and mix until they make like almost like a big clump. It doesn't really matter which size container you use for this, as long as it's big enough to hold everything, because the Rice Krispies will stay together pretty well. Prep a pan with parchment paper and oil. Add your Rice Krispie concoction in and start to press it down into the pan. A thing about Rice Krispies is you always have to have everything oiled, because once you add those melted marshmallows, they are super sticky, over the top sticky. Make sure to square off the ends as much as possible, because when you cut it, you don't want to have thin ends, and you want it to be as even as possible. Once they have set, take them out of the pan, oil the knife so the Rice Krispies don't stick, and start to chop away. There are different sizes that you could do. You could go for more squares. We went for a rectangular shape. But yeah, they should stretch nicely, and that's how you make Rice Krispies. And then just store them separated in a nice airtight container. We actually had to make a second batch because we ate them all so quickly. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and share with your friends too.